In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your products from Etsy to Shopify. This is a key step for entrepreneurs looking to expand their e-commerce presence onto Shopify's robust platform. The method we're focusing on involves exporting your Etsy listings as a CSV file, and then importing this file into Shopify using the Store Importer app. This process effectively transfers your product details, images, and other relevant information to your new Shopify store. Let's walk through this together, step by step. First, you'll want to begin by exporting your data from Etsy. Head over to your Etsy Shop Manager and find the Settings or Options section. This is your central hub on Etsy, where you manage various aspects of your shop. You'll see the option to download your shop data here. Etsy typically offers this data in a CSV format, which is perfect for our needs. This downloadable data includes listings, customers, and orders. For our purpose today, we want to focus on exporting your product listings, what Etsy refers to as listings. Once you've found the appropriate section, go ahead and download the CSV file. Make sure you save this file somewhere easily accessible on your computer, as you'll need to import it into Shopify in the next step. Now, let's move on to importing your Etsy data into Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. This will be your new control center, located conveniently under the Apps section, where you'll find the Store Importer. Choose Etsy as the source platform you're migrating from to make sure Shopify understands the format of your CSV file. Upload your downloaded CSV file to the designated section within the Store Importer. Once you've done that, initiate the import process. Shopify will now begin transferring your data from Etsy to your new online store. After the import is complete, don't forget to review your products in Shopify's admin area. Check carefully to ensure everything has transferred correctly. Take your time to make any necessary adjustments to keep your product listings looking professional and aligned with your brand vision. In addition to directly importing your listings, there are optional apps you may want to consider for enhanced migration. The Etsy Marketplace Integration app can assist with syncing your products and potentially your orders between Etsy and Shopify. Export Your Store offers a dashboard for managing both Etsy and Shopify stores, including inventory and SKU syncing, which is particularly useful for maintaining accuracy across both platforms. Another app choice is Nembolt, which aids in migrating listings and syncing inventory. Finally, take a moment to review and finalize everything. Check for any errors in the data import to ensure your Shopify store is accurate. If anything didn't carry over, don't worry. You can manually add or correct these directly in Shopify. This is also a great time to customize your Shopify store's appearance, set up shipping options, and configure other settings that will enhance your customers' shopping experience. With these steps and the use of recommended tools, you'll be well on your way to successfully migrating your Etsy products and kickstarting your journey on Shopify. Happy selling!